How can we do to name this particular structure? What is going to be the parent chain? Can you draw it in the whiteboard? Anyone who want to participate? That is correct. How many carbons do you find in this parent chain? How many carbons do you find in this parent chain? 11. Okay, very good, Raquel and Nicole. Very good. Thank you. So we haven't done anything with 11. So for 11 carbons, we're gonna say on the cane in the case of alkane, and in this case, I have 3 double bonds. So this is the adjustment that you have to add try. So this parent chain is going to be on deck try in. Okay. On deck is going to be the prefix and in the suffix, and you include the adjustment here between them. Okay, so this is going to be the parent chain. Now I need to see the side from which I need to start numbering the carbons. So from what side I will need to start, from left or from the right? Okay, from the left. Thank you, Minor. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so my double bonds are in the positions 2, 4, 6. Okay, so the parent chain is going to be 2, 4, 6 on decatraene. That is the parent chain. Okay, that is the parent chain. Now I haven't finished. I need to continue. Then I have to see what are the alkyls. This alkyl is methyl, begins with M. This alkyl is special alkyl right there. It's like a snake's tongue. How do we call that?
Isopropyl.
Isopropyl. Okay. Isopropyl begins with P. Okay. And this one is methyl again. And this one in the bottom is a cyclo, okay, of 6 sides. So this is cyclohexa, okay? Cyclohexyl in this case. Okay, cyclohexyl begins with H. Now we need to arrange them alphabetically. Cyclohexyl begins with H, so this one comes first. Then comes methyl. In the last place, we need to list isopropyl. And in the very last step, we need to add the parent chain. So now all we need to do is forming the name. So we say N cyclohexyl. Then we continue with methyl alphabetically 2 and 8. Okay, not 8, 2. It's 2, 8 in ascending order. 2, 8 dimethyl. Then we continue with isopropyl, which is in the position 4. And then the parent chain, that is 2, 4, 6 and decatriene. And this is the better name for all this structure. From this exercise, do you have a doubt? From this exercise, do you have a doubt? Why I don't use the two colors? Okay, let me tell you why. You can do it. Okay, you can use the two colors. But remember that we need to choose the path in which the parent chain has the least numbers. If I do the two paths, the parent chain, if I do the two paths, then the parent chain is going to be different. Let me show you. It's that this thing is not updating. Okay, so this is in the case that I do the blue path. Okay, if I do the blue path, I'm going to take this direction from there, and this will be the numbers. Now, but what is going on here? The double bonds will be located in bigger numbers, such as 5, 7, 9. So in this case, this combination of numbers is greater than the one that we showed before, so this color is not going to work for us. Okay, in this way we can tell that this color doesn't work for us in this case. That's why I gave you a tip the other day that number the carbons from the side where the double bonds are. Siempre hay que enumerar los carbons desde el lado donde tenemos los double bonds, porque así aseguramos que queden con los números más pequeños. Now, you can try in the two ways, and in the end, you will get the same result. The only difference is that you're going to take 1 or 2 minutes longer, because then you have to realize, after you do this, you have to realize that it's not the best path. But taking 2 minutes longer in a quiz, it is an important delay. So that's why I gave you the tip the other day. Así que por esa razón no hacemos los dos paths en esta clase de ejercicios. Sometimes it's pretty obvious that you can decide, sometimes it's not, so you have to do the two paths. Cuando no es tan obvio, sí, realmente se recomienda comparar ambos paths hasta que tengamos la mejor combinación. What topic? Okay, in physics va a ser el viernes, ¿ok? Porque what is gonna come? Va a venirles la teoría y la práctica de circuits y de okay, resistors in series and resistors in parallel, pero yo solo he explicado, we haven't done many exercises. Entonces mañana vamos a hacer ejercicio de ambos temas para que el viernes puedan hacer la prueba, okay, de physics. En chemistry este va a ser el tema, va a ser alkenes y le va a venir de ejercicios como este o como este, okay? So you need to be prepared. Este sí va a ser el jueves, este no va a ser el viernes. Okay, this one is on Thursday. Friday will be physics. Yes, I have this exercise right here for you to practice in this moment. I want you to practice with this exercise that is projected right now. And remember, you have to try as many times as possible because you have to choose the path with the least possible numbers. Ahora, recuerden algo que les dije la vez pasada. ¿Ok? If you have a double bond, como aquí, bueno. ¿Ok? Imagínense que son estos double bonds que están aquí. Usted tiene que enumerar, ya sea de aquí a acá o de acá a acá. ¿Ok? 1, 2, 1, 2. Lo mismo en el otro lado. 1, 2 o 1, 2. Usted no puede comenzar aquí y continuar acá. No, eso no se puede hacer. Porque usted comienza desde el double bond. Entonces, si usted comienza aquí, usted continúa acá. Usted no puede continuar aquí. Esto sería incorrecto. If you do that, it's going to be incorrect. Entonces, start working on that, please. And once you have it, you can tell me your answer in the chat. If you want to know if your parent chain is correct, you can send it also to me in the chat so I can tell you, yes, your parent chain is good, or no, there is a better parent chain. No, the names start with the alkyls. Solamente los parent chain comienzan con los double bond, ¿ok? Pero los double bond es como quien dice el apellido del nombre, va después, va de último. Okay, guys, how do you call an alkyl that has 3 carbons? How do you call this alkyl right here? It is propyl, not isopropyl. Isopropyl tiene esta forma. Yes, it is 3 carbons. ¿Okay? Ambos tienen 3 carbons, pero la forma define el nombre. This one is propyl y este es isopropyl. Vamos a ver, I received 2. Yes, it is correct, yours, Raquel and Ashley. Both are good. Solo que lo que me mandó Raquel, you didn't send the dashes and the commas. But I am guessing that in your notebook, they are. It's no. There is a mistake in yours, Raquel. It's not isopropyl, for the reason that I mentioned. Yes, now it's good. Now it's good, Raquel. Because you already finished, I sent you mine already so you can see how I did it.